should be your first step. There may be barriers to completing the task, but until you know what you have, you can't really know how to proceed. For new acquisitions, you can move straight to the next step, which is analyzing whether or not collecting the material is feasible, or, more likely question, whether it's worth the cost. It's pretty easy to say analyze cost or estimate feasibility, but if you've never encountered a particular software or hardware, it's difficult to know how to do that. Being prepared with a list of specific things to analyze about materials before you accept them, either by looking at the material on the donor's computer or getting a test copy from them, can make this a more practical activity. Some of the things to analyze include, do you have resources available for both the work, as in human resources, and any costs? What types of files and formats are present in the material? What is the volume of the data versus your capacity to take it? What condition is the content in, which could mean how have the physical disks been stored? Do they show any damage? Or how has the content itself been stored, and does it show signs of having corrupted or been changed? What dependencies does it have, such as software, hardware, operating system? What is your institution's actual commitment to this content? It's a very important thing to know. Is the transfer even feasible? Would you need to do it in person and the donor is in another country? Are migrations or transformations of the content going to be needed? And finally, can you even view the content to appraise the intellectual content? These questions can also be asked of the disks you've identified in your inventory. The ultimate question then becomes, do you have the capacity to take any further steps at this point? For example,